Hi there. Welcome to the Python Programming for Beginners tutorial series brought to you by AI Guru Academy. In this series, one of our software developer Devarshi Patel will be guiding you through the exciting world of Python programming. Python is a versatile and beginner-friendly language that opens the door to various opportunities in the web development, data analysis, AI, and many more. Whether you are starting a programming career, expanding your skill set, Python is an excellent choice. In this comprehensive series, Devarshi will cover everything from setting up your Python environment to working with data structure, functions, object-oriented programming, and many more. Each of this tutorial is carefully crafted to provide you a clear explanation with practical examples. Throughout the series, you will have an opportunity to follow along with a hands-on coding demonstration as well as practice exercises. Devarshi is walking you through a step-by-step approach and making sure that smooth learning experience given out to you. Even if you have no prior programming knowledge, that's perfectly alright. This course is created under the supervision of myself and it will be part of AI Guru Academy curriculum. We are committed to providing high-quality educational content to help you succeed in your AI journey. If you are ready to embark in this exciting learning adventure, subscribe to our channel and join us in this Python Programming for Beginners series. Let's unlock the power of Python together. Thank you for choosing AI Guru Academy. We look forward to having you as a part of our learning community. Happy coding!